Hello everyone. இந்த வீடியோல நாம 9th standard English unit 2 assignment பார்க்கலாம். Okay. So first Roman 1 mark questions. Find out the appropriate synonyms for the underlined words. Synonyms na meanings, okay? So first sentence என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? She spent the afternoon pruning roses. Pruning na trim பண்றது. So option B. Second one, the blood loss and lack of food made her dizzy. Dizzy அப்படின்னா shaky, மயக்கம் வரது தான். Okay, next third one, we were caught in the storm and got drenched to the rain. Drench அப்படின்னா நனைஞ்சு போறது, so soaked. Find out the appropriate antonyms. Antonyms no opposites for the underlined words. Okay, I am glad you came. Glad அப்படின்னா opposite of glad கேக்குறாங்க, so sad. They set up the camp on the verge of the desert. Verge na adoda original meaning edge, so appo center. Sixth one, Kameshwar received a medal in reward for his bravery. Bravery na தைரியம், so adukku opposite cowardice. Cowardice na kolathanam. Choose the correct answer. The house which was visited by the man remain unchanged. Eighth one, the visitor came back to the house because he wanted to look, he was looking for his lost youth. See தான் வரும். Ninth one, the visitor gifted the the visitor gifted the iron cross. And the tree மேல இருக்குது iron cross, so the visitor gifted the iron cross to the little girl. Okay, next one, write the full form of the following words. I will. Next, can't, cannot. Next, wasn't அப்படின்னா was not. Okay, that's it. Next, choose the correct answer. A mobile phone is dash radio, is trendier than radio. 14th, no other girls in the class is as tall as Rekha. India registered its highest medal tally in Tokyo Olympic 2020. So இதெல்லாம் comparative superlative degrees. Okay, next. Read the following lines and answer the questions. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. I was angry with my foe. I told it not. My wrath did grow. 16th one, pick out the rhyming words. So இங்க நிறைய rhyming words இருக்கு. என்னென்ன rhyming words அப்படின்னா நான் underline பண்றேன். Friend, end, இது ஒரு rhyming word. Then after that, foe, grow, இதுவும் rhyming word. இதுவும் rhyming word. ஸோ இதை நீங்கள் எடுத்து friend end அப்படின்னு நீங்கள் எழுதிக்கோங்க, foe growன்ட்டு எழுதிக்கோங்க. ஓகே, லைக் திஸ், friend end. அதே மாதிரி foe grow. ஓகே, இந்த மாதிரி எழுதிக்கோங்க. வாட் இஸ் த ரைம் ஸ்கீம் ஆஃப் த ஸ்டான்ஸா? ரைம் ஸ்கீம் என்ன? இங்கே வந்து ஏ friend end, ஸோ ஏ பி foe grow. Okay, next, identify the figure of speech used in the title of the poem A Poison Tree. So இதுக்கு வந்து title of the poemல இங்க என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க? personification தான் யூஸ் பண்ணிருக்காங்க. So இதுல யூஸ் பண்ண figure of speech personification. Okay, next, find out the alliterated words in the following lines. So இங்க என்ன அப்படின்னா, and I sunned it with smiles. So sundu smiles unda alliterated. So இது ரெண்டையும் underline பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Okay, next, choose the correct answer. The poet was still angry with his foe. Foe na என்ன? enemy. The poet compassed wrath with tree. The tree was watered in tears. 23rd, the teacher in Margie's school was a machine. Margie was a 11-year-old. Margie வந்து 11-year-old, Tommy வந்து 13-year-old. Okay, next 25. Tommy found the book in the attic. 26. Margie always dash school, hated school. 27. The county inspector gave Margie an apple. 28. Margie had to write test after test in geography slot da repair ஆயிருக்கு. 29. In olden days the school was in a special building. 30. Who wrote about the old book in the diary? ஸோ இந்த டைரி அதாவது இந்த ஓல்டு புக்கை பற்றி மார்கி வந்து அவள் டைரியில் மென்ஷன் பண்ணுறா. ஸோ மார்கி. நெக்ஸ்ட், ஆன்சர் த ஃபாலோயிங். வாட் டிட் த விசிட்டர் ஹைட் இன் த ஜாக்ஃப்ரூட் ட்ரீ? The visitor hid an iron cross in the tree. Okay. Next one. What was the local superstition about trees? The local superstition was that the owner of the house will also be receiving the blessing if the shadow of the tree falls on the house. 33rd. What was the old house built with? The old house was built with solid blocks of granite. Why did the visitor return to his old house? The visitor returned to his old house searching for his memories of olden days by going back to the places of his youth and childhood. Next one. Read the following lines from the poem and answer the questions that follows in a sentence or two. Okay. Next. So, I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. Whom does I refer to? So, I refers to the poet William Blake. How did the anger of the poet come to an end? The poet told the reason of his anger to his friend. The anger came to an end. Next one. In the morning, glad I see my foe outstretched beneath the tree. How did the poet feel in the morning? He felt glad in the morning. Who is the foe referred to here? The person on whom the poet is angry with. அவங்க தான் foe na enemy. 37. And it grew both day and night till it bore an apple bright. What does it refers to? It refers to anger that is personified to a poison tree. Personified na compared to a poison tree. Okay. Next, what does apple signify? Apple signifies as anger, his anger. Next, 38. And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears. Okay. How is it watered? It is watered with fears and tears of the poet. What does it refer to? It refers to anger. Okay. Next, part B. Bring out any two differences between your school and Margie's school. ஸோ இதில் வந்து புக்கில் இருக்க அதே டேப்லெட் காலம் தான். ஸோ நாம் தான் ஃபில் பண்ணணும். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் அவங்களே ஃபில் பண்ணிக்கனால நீங்கள் அதை ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டிஃப்ரென்ஸாக எழுதிக்கோங்க. மார்கி ஸ்கூலில் டீச்சர் இஸ் அ மெஷின், யார் ஸ்கூலில் டீச்சர் இஸ் அ ஹியூமன் பீயிங். அப்புறம் இந்த ரெண்டு பிளாங்க்லாம் வேணாம். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட்டு செகண்டாக இதை நீங்கள் எழுதிக்கோங்க. தேர் இஸ் நோ ப்ளே கிரவுண்ட் மார்கி ஸ்கூலில். அப்புறம் நம்ம ஸ்கூலில் யார் ஸ்கூலில் தேர் இஸ் ப்ளே கிரவுண்ட். ஓகே, அவ்வளோதான், சிம்பிள். இதை எழுதிக்கோங்க இது ரெண்டையும். That's it. Next, why was Margie surprised to see the old book? All these things were strange for Margie as she used to read only textbooks through computer screen without any knowledge of a real book. So அவங்க வந்து ரியல் புக்கை பார்த்ததே இல்லை, அதனால தான் சர்ப்ரைஸ் ஆயிருக்காங்க. ஓகே. நெக்ஸ்ட், பார்ட் சி. Write in detail. Narrate the story I can't climb trees anymore in your own words. அப்போ நம்ம சம்மரி கேட்டிருக்காங்க நம்மளுக்கு. The story highlights the importance of childhood days in shaping the character of a person. It deals with the nostalgic memories of the happy days in the life of a man and his present friendship with the little girl, enabling him to refresh those memories. He knows that many of his friends have moved to other cities for their career, but he wanted to see his grandmother's bungalow. He spent a lot of time in the bungalow during summer vacation and later it was sold to someone else. The man came back to his old house, which is now owned by a colonel. It brings back the nostalgia forgotten over time. The man was to see the old jackfruit tree still standing beside the house for around 40 years. There he met the colonel's little daughter. He shared some of his childhood memories with her. He said that he used to keep some of his treasures like marbles, coins, and his grandfather's iron cross in the hollow of the jackfruit tree, but he was not able to climb the tree. The little girl climbed and turned the iron cross on the man's hand. He gifted it to her and walked away with tears in his eyes. So இது வரைக்கும் எழுதினா போதும். இது லெசனோட சம்மரி கேட்டிருக்காங்க. Next, describe how his anger kept growing. இதில் the poet confessed that when he was angry with his enemy, he did not reveal his anger to his enemy. He feared that if he expressed his anger to him, his enemy would do harm to him. So he suppressed his anger. Day and night he shed tears thinking about the ill or the injustice that had been caused by his enemy to him. Thus he watered the tree of anger with his tears, allowing the anger to grow. He also aroused his anger with his false smiles and cunning tricks towards his enemy. Since the poet kept his anger within himself and had his own fear and tears, his anger kept growing every day. Next question. Describe Margie's mechanical teacher and her classroom in your own words. Tommy found the book on 17 May 2157. It was a very old book. The pages were yellow and crinkly, and it was awfully funny to read the words that stood still instead of moving the way they were supposed to on a screen. Margie hates school. She is having problem with learning geography from her mechanical teacher, which is black, large, and has a screen on it. It teaches the students, gives them exercises, and asks them questions, all in a special room in their own house. It can also calculate the marks in no time. Margie hates papers. Once the geography sector of her mechanical teachers was geared too quickly so that her marks got worse and worse. Next, part D. Write a letter to your friend describing your ancestral house. So first address எழுதணும், மெத்தா நகர், சென்னை. அதுக்கப்புறம் டேட், இன்னைக்கு டேட் போட்டுக்கோங்க, 28 August 2021. Hi Vijay, after a long period I had the opportunity to revisit my ancestral house. Each and every moment was very valuable in my life. My maternal grandparents' house in the midst of widespread greenery, a big house with unending halls and large rooms, scent of love, pleasure, moist imprint of kisses of my relatives. The house painted white with ample car parking area. My ancestral house was an antique piece due to its magnificence and splendor. The house also had the magnetic Rolls-Royce car, which was the most attractive commodity brought by my grandfather. I liked the view on the first floor near the balcony, from which I could grasp the beautiful scenery of fields at the rear side, while the market on the other side. The furniture was all one of its kind. What is said is 1/10 of these marvels, untold, are innumerable. Rest in the next letter, as I am a bit too emotionally disturbed. If there is any matter of concern, do write to me. Bye, meet you soon. Yours friendly Bala. அவ்வளோதான். ஸோ இதுதான் லெட்டர். ஸோ இவ்வளோ தான் யூனிட் 2ல் நம்மளுக்கு இருக்கிறது. ஒரு ப்ரோஸ், ஒரு போயம் அண்ட் ஒரு சப்ளிமெண்ட்ரி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஓகே, hope this video was useful. Thank you.